Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your WordPress homepage step by step. Even if you are brand new to WordPress, whether you are using a page builder or a basic theme, I will walk you through everything. Let's dive in. First of all, we need a figure out what kind of homepage you have. WordPress gives you two options: a blog style homepage that shows your latest posts, a custom homepage you design yourself. To check yours, go to settings, then reading. If your homepage displays is set a static, then you are using a custom homepage. Don't have one yet? Create a new page called home and set it here as the home page. There are three main ways to edit your home page: the block editor, Gutenberg, default editor in WordPress, a page builder like Elementor or WP Barclay, theme customizer, or full site editor. If using a block theme, we will go through the basic way first using the block editor. To begin, go to pages, then all pages, find your home page and click edit or create page. Click on add page, then name it home page. Then click publish. Again publish. Now go back to pages, then click home page and click edit button. Here's where you can build your layout using blocks. Click the plus to add block like text, images, heading, paragraph, code, etc. Use columns or group blocks for better layout. Use the right hand panel for blocks settings like colors, font size, padding, etc. Make your changes and click update when you are done, or click save. If you are using Elementor, go to pages, then select home page, and from here click on edit with Elementor. Here you can drag widgets like heading, image, button, and more. Use the left panel to customize each element, add animations, adjust spacing, change colors, fonts. Click update when finished. Elementor is very beginner friendly and gives you visual control. Some themes let you edit the homepage from your WordPress customizer. Go to appearance, then customize. Look for homepage settings, header or sections. Here you can tweak layout, colors, logo, menus, and more. Here are a few tips for creating a strong homepage. Use a clear headline that tells people what your site is about. Add a call to action like book now or learn more. Include testimonials or trust badges. Keep it clean and mobile friendly. Use optimized images for fast loading. And that's how you edit your WordPress homepage in 2025, whether you are using the default editor or Elementor. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of site you are building. Want me to cover blog pages or contact forms next? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.